There's Blackey.
Whoa.
You can take movies?
Yes. I don't know where I am, but you can't see me because it's nighttime. Look at the 4th of July fireworks. What do you see? Whoa. Look at that. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. I wish everyone could wish you a happy 4th of July. Oh. Wow. God. This almost looks like a scary York. Oh, that's really pretty. So everyone's here for 4th of July, right? We all are. Don't you? Whoa. Woo!
Nice. And 2 circles.
Whoa, wait a second. I wish you...
I thought that might have been an RTR Mustang, but now if it was an RTR Mustang, we have posse of 50 people with cameras following it.
Don't forget they're going to have the finale at the end, right? The big ones at the end.
I saw a ring from Saturn. I saw a ring from Saturn.
You saw Saturn?
Yeah, a Saturn ring. Really? Oh yeah, maybe. So everyone is here to watch, right?
Just so we can see
In Christmas colors. Really, huh? Have a happy 4th of July.
One of those go.